This video is a step-by-step tutorial to walk you through NOAA Storm Events Database to access data for tornadoes. Specifically, we will be looking for the Fujita scale and wind speed as the measurements for tornado. We typically focus on the most extreme or severe event for each hazard in your community to meet the requirement to include extent data for your plan. We will also help you meet the requirement to include past occurrences and impacts of this hazard. After accessing NOAA Storm Events Database, you need to identify the time frame to search for the hazard event. I am beginning at January 1st, 1950 to the present. So just enter it here on the begin date and end date. Then you'll select your county, and I'll be using all counties. And then you'll click event type. For tornado, you'll simply select tornado. And the use of advanced search and filter options is not necessary. And if you do not see data for a specific event type, that does not mean it has not occurred for your community, so refer to local records when necessary. So once you hit submit, 12 columns will appear with a multitude of data. There are also multiple entries per event, which is broken down by municipality or zone, so take some time to locate events close to or within your community. Then identify which specific event you want to look at first. This can be determined by date in this column or location here. I will be choosing the Middlebury event from 2021. Reading through the event narrative, which you can find here and here, will provide you with key event details and provide you with indicator data. You can also look up into this magnitude scale location here for the Fujita scale information. If you continue to scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see all events for this episode. Here you will be able to learn more about other events associated with the tornado, such as thunderstorm winds. To create a holistic picture of the event, you can reference historical disaster impacts and loss estimates to infrastructure, facility systems, people, or essential capabilities. And this concludes our tutorial on tornado hazard data. And this video is a part of a series produced by Vermont Emergency Management's Hazard Mitigation Program. For more information, you can find us on the web, email us, and see more tutorials on our YouTube channel.